morning everyone, or hello, is it the morning? Yes it is, here anyway. So today I'm going to be trying out some weird gimmicky things off Wish again. I've done a few of these videos and you guys always give me such amazing feedback, so I'll list my previous ones down below, as well as some Wish try on hauls of wigs and prom dresses, which were very interesting to say the least. I have some stamp crease things. I have these super cheap shadow shields. I swear these were like $1 or something like that. I have these like eyeliner stickers, which are really out of it. I don't know how these are gonna work. And these like eyebrow stickers. So we're just gonna try a whole lot of kind of like sticker products today, basically. I'm gonna see if they're worth, you know, using, or if it's actually just easier to do it yourself. This is my first video I'm filming back in New Zealand after my huge Europe trip. It was so much fun, but I'm so happy to be home and back into the videos, and I have no clue what you guys want to see, so please like let me know. I did a little like poll on Instagram and loads of you guys are asking for declutters, and there will be more coming. What else do you want to see? I don't know. My hair is like all over the place because it's damp. I just had a shower and everything, so yeah. Anyway, let's get started. I feel like for the stickers, like this is just so confusing because I feel like the stickers are gonna remove the makeup. So maybe I should start with the brow ones. Even though my brows are like tattooed on, but I'm still gonna try them, okay? This is what they look like. You can just pick this off. We're gonna stick it on. Where's a headband? This does not fit my eyebrow shape. I wish my eyebrows were this shape. I like this shape better, but ow, it's not even close. Okay, are there different ones? They came in this like slip like this. They stick really nicely. I feel like if you had really sparse eyebrows for any reason, they stick really good. They could probably be pretty good. I think these are like the most arched ones. There's some slightly different ones. They're all quite flat. So this product is not for me. Oh, yeah, that just ripped out my eyebrow hairs. These are like full on, you guys. I'm just gonna see what, okay, let's just see what happens when I like line it up as much as possible. We can wipe it off if it's a disaster, you know? That's kind of right, maybe? I am going to use this Tarte Taupe Amazonian clay waterproof brow mousse. Question, do you say taupe or taupe? Because taupe to me sounds weird. I'm gonna take my little eyebrow groom brush and let's just fill them in the stencil. How are we going? I feel like that's filled. Let's see what it looks like. I feel like I'm gonna rip out all my eyebrow hairs. Okay. You know what? That was not so bad. I kind of missed a few spots, so I feel like I'm gonna have to touch it up. You know what? If you have sparse hair, it works. Like totally works. I mean, it could get expensive considering it's a sticker and not a stencil. Like you might have to buy a lot of them, but at the same time I feel like they're easier than a stencil because you can like stick it to your skin and it does stick. It's not like, you know, flimsy. I actually have oil on my skin right now too and it's still stuck to my skin, so there you go. It's kind of hard getting them on right. Oh gosh, it's really hard to get it on like the same. Is that it? Kind of. And then I'm just filling it in. I'd love to see how it worked on someone without tattooed eyebrows though. I actually bought these before I got my eyebrows tattooed on again, so I really should have done this video a while ago, but that's my own fault. Whoops. I think if you have quite like full eyebrows, you're probably not really gonna find much use in these. Eyeliner sticker, which I'm really nervous about the sticker. If it like sticks onto my eyeshadows and just gonna like remove all the eyeshadow. I don't know. Stay tuned to find out. I am going to use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Sin today. Man, I haven't done my makeup properly in like weeks and I feel like I've forgotten how to do everything. Here we go. I'll just use this. This is the Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in the shade Natural Beige. And we're just gonna stamp some of this on and I'm gonna put some underneath at the same time, even though it's way too dark for me. But you know, it's fine. It's going everywhere. I'm so excited to be filming again. Utah. So now I'm going to take my Shaaanxo palette. I'm going to take the shade Need You, which is just the like transition brown shade, and I'm going to pop that straight into my crease. I'm just going to take a little bit of Dark Horse, which is the color right next to it, and I'm going to add a little bit into the outer half. That concealer did not make a good base whatsoever. It looks so patchy, so patchy, and it ain't the eyeshadow. We're going to give this stamp a go now. For some reason, I bought two, and I think these are like fake. I think there's like a proper, ooh, it's silicone. I thought it was hard. But yeah, I think there's like an official version, like a proper like version, but I got the rip-off one off Wish and I'm gonna see how well it works. So for some reason I bought two. They're the same. ASMR. It's covered in like lint, which is concerning. One of them is anyway. I don't know which way you're supposed to use it. I guess just whichever way fits. This is so weird. So I'm going to use my Pro Conceal Concealer by LA Girl for this step. What I'm going to do is just, I think, apply it to like half of this, so I don't really know. I don't want to put on like too much product. Let's give this a go. I'm so nervous. I feel like it's going to get all over my lashes as well, but oh well. So I'm just putting it in to where my crease goes, like just on the natural shape of my eyeball, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna go like this, and that didn't work very well. Maybe I used too much product. Let me try again on the other side. Just gonna take a tissue and like get rid of that. So this time I've taken less product, and same thing, just gonna like wiggle side to side a little. Oh, that works so much better. Less is more. I'm just going to take my little concealer brush to blend this out and try to remove some of the product because there's way too much. So that's how it looks. This side obviously is much more blended because I had to like shear it out a little more, so that's kind of annoying, but I know how to do it for next time. So on my eyelid, I'm just going to take another color from this palette so that if you are recreating this for any reason, you can just copy me. So I'm going to take this shade right here. I'm going to pat this all over where I've concealed with the stamp. Oh, that's so cool. It actually works though. I'm surprised. So like if you're a beginner with cut creases, like me basically, then you need to try this out. This is what the stickers look like. So you can do a cut crease with it apparently, or you can do eyeliner. So these are the cat eyeliner stickers. Oh, I forgot to try out the shadow shields. Ooh, these are very sticky, like super sticky. So I'm just going to remove some of the stick so that hopefully it doesn't just like rip off all my friggin' eyeshadow. Okay, no idea how to do this. Oh god, that's really terrible. This is so hard to put on. Like, I feel like it's gonna take longer to get the sticker on than actually how long it would take me to just draw on eyeliner in the first place. And look, when I stick it on, it just goes like straight across my eyelid. Like, what is this shape? Oh, I'm using Extravagant eyeliner. I didn't realize they were different. Okay, so look how much friggin' like eyeshadow they just pulled off. I'm gonna go with the cat eyeliner one. Let's try this again. Maybe this will be a better shape. It's just not the right angle for my eye. Like if I do the angle like how I want it, it doesn't work. Already I can tell I just don't like these at all. Like if I try to put it on how I would see, just like what is that shape? Genuinely, like if I put it on my hand, it's like straight unless I like fold it up like that. Like I've got it all folded and that's just not gonna work. I hate these. Shadow shields, I love. They're amazing. They've helped me out a lot throughout the years with my makeup. They help you get a nice sharp line. You could just use tape instead if you wanted, which is what I started doing because shadow shields get expensive. However, these were super cheap. You get tons in here. And I'm gonna see if they're just as good as the real deal. So this is what they look like. They come in lots of little packets. It looks the same as other shadow shields. So I like to just take the top one off, line up. I find these quite big. They're definitely bigger than normal shadow shields. That's too sticky. Definitely take some of that off. These are huge, so what I'm gonna have to do is like cut it like this because I can't actually like fit it under my eye area. I don't have a spectacularly small face, so I don't know what's going on. There we go. It's really awkward, but it's on. I actually have some proper like original shadow shields right here, so I'll show you the difference. I definitely can tell already that the original ones are much better. Look at that shape and size difference. This shape here is better because it gives you a sharper line. This one's kind of more curved. I still think these are better, but let's see how these perform. Remove the stickiness. Listen to this, it's so loud. Can you hear that? Ow. I just like waxed my hand, literally a hair came out. I'm gonna just go straight back in with Dark Horse, and what shadow shields are supposed to do is catch fallout. So you could use them like after your foundation and everything, and it should catch any fallout down here. And also it helps to give you that really nice sharp line, so really good for doing your eyeliner as well, which I will do to show you. Got this one here by Tarte, it's called Sex Kitten. And basically with a shadow shield, you should be able to just draw straight on top of it and get a sharp line like that. And then we'll do a thin inner corner, hopefully. Let's take this off and reveal our work. Oh god, look how sticky this is still. I like removed everything. Is this pretty? This does not give you a sharpest line. A sharpest line? A sharpest line. I've forgotten how to talk. Shadow shields are better, basically. I'm just gonna have to manually sharpen this up. It's like left sticky residue on my eye as well. I'm like trying to like draw it and my little pen is getting stuck to my skin. Do not recommend. I was so excited about them as well. I can't get a sharp line because my skin is so sticky. Whatever, I'm taking this off before I do the next eye. Right now, I'm just using the Ordinary High Coverage Foundation in the shade 2.0N with a flat top face brush, which I've not done in a a while. I've been using my sponges like all the time. Peace out. Okay, I just set my foundation with my CoverGirl powder and I'm hating my eyeliner right now. It just keeps smudging and it's just like, it's so hard to do on top of that sticky base that those fake shadow shields left behind. Terrible. Anyway, I feel like I need to just add something to my eye makeup right now. I'm going to use Kid & Karma by Stila, just, I don't know, on my inner corner and stuff. Put a little bit on my eyelid. Whoops. I just covered my eyeliner. And then for lashes today, I'm going to try out these ones I've never used before. They're by Iconic London. I have no idea what style they are. But if you want to match them up to the website, they look like this. Okay, I just contoured a little with my Makeup Revolution contour kit. I'm going in with the Natural Face palette by Too Faced. I'm going to take this shade just here called Pink Sand. I'm going to apply that to my cheek. Ooh, pretty. And then I'm going to highlight with this palette too. Using a small face brush, I'm going to take the Satin Sheets color. Ooh, that's so intense. It's like a gold with peachy reflect. I swear I just tasted that and it tasted sweet. Okay, this is so much golder than I anticipated. So I might add a little bit of gold to my eyes as well. A little bit of Gold Goddess by Stila, just on top of the inner corner, just to tie it up. So definitely my favorite things are the actual shadow stamp thing, cut crease stamp. For if you have sparse eyebrows, definitely give those stickers a go. I think if you struggle to get a shape, if you have alopecia or anything like that, if you're going through some kind of treatment and you're losing a lot of hairs, I think it'll really help you to, you know, create a shape if you're not quite sure like where to put the shape. The shadow shields, like honestly, you can give them a go if you want, but I find them quite tricky to deal with. Like honestly, using tape would be easier, or actually just buying the proper shadow shields. Eyeliner ones, like honestly, don't even bother. Like that was just terrible. I'm just gonna pop on some lipstick. Bright pink, I reckon. This is Boy Oh Boy by XO Beauty. Love this color so much. It's so stunning. It's such a wearable like bold pink. If you missed this lip swatch video, I'll link it down below as well, where I swatch all 5 shades of these, which are created by me. Question of the day, do you guys ever just go so long without wearing dramatic makeup that you feel like you've just forgotten how to apply it? Because that's how I feel right now. I actually quite like the way everything turned out in the end, like the eyeshadow look and everything. Although, yeah, it's like kind of patchy. It's not normally patchy. It's one of those days. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me testing out some cheap Wish gadgets. Thumbs up if you did like it, and let me know if there's anything else you want me to try that's kind of weird. I definitely think that half of these things made life harder and not easier. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm just like squeezing my eyelashes together, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.